下的儿童及70岁以上老人需有成人陪同游玩。游玩前请自觉绕道。游玩过程中如有不适，请马上与工作人员联系。进场后严禁骑不走、跳跃等危险。
Run.
Come along, and it feels so right. It's like love is raining on me.
Parang manhid na yung ano ko.
Follow your heart.
Manhid na yung labi ko.
There is so much love to give. So it's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, now I know. There is so much love to give. So it's
Ayan.
telling me it's
So dito lang hindi tayo nakapag-video dahil hindi pwede ang cellphone mababasa. Ayan.
the word show me now and forever. No, you're not gonna be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's my way. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
Hello mga darling, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, pupunta kami ng China kasama yung mga kaibigan ko. Mag-tutor kami doon. So hindi na ako nakapag-video masyado sa loob ng immigration at bawal. Nakalabas na kami ng immigration ng China. So magbabas lang kami papunta doon. Dito tayo. Hi bebe! Ha? Wala, wala. Likat ding. So, kita-kita na lang tayo pagdating namin doon. So, ito yung sasakyan namin. Ito yung service namin. May number pa rin bakit sa bus? Oh, kahit ano. Second row. No, excuse me. Cannot hold you guys. From the second row. From the second row. So yun mga darling, nandito na kami sa aming service.
Okay, so today you come to Shenzhen, just enjoy your tour.
Hi, Bibe. Ganda.
Maganda, take a video, take a photo on the bus, I think take some photo. It's okay. 2 photo, 3 photo, that's okay.
Parang init dito.
Memory, okay?
Malamig
You know
yata,
why?
malamig yata ng
Because I'm sure this afternoon
maaraw lang.
you need 2 power banks. Yeah, you need 2 power banks. Maybe
Matagal naman malubat ang cellphone ko.
yeah.
43 years ago, okay, you know, 43 years ago, Shenzhen was fishing village. Fishing village, small and poor fishing village. Only some farmers live here. Farmers live here. So you know, 40 years ago, farmers they owned the land. They sold the land to the government. They got a lot of money. If they don't sell the land, they still own the land. They still own the land right now. The farmer didn't live.
Will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? it's raining on me. Go and follow your heart.
Okay mga darling, first stop na kami dito sa Shenzhen Park. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung park.
So after solo, can we go to take the group photo? Can we?
So ayun na nga mga darling, nandito tayo sa first stop namin dito sa China. Ito yung Dragon Park. Tara doon sa bridge.
Bebe, may bridge.
Ayan, tapos ito. So ngayon may kaming ano doon. Ayan. May bridge doon. Oh. So punta kami. So outfit for today. Labas dyan. Malamig. Dali, mag-picture tayo dyan.
Maganda
So,
yung
picture muna kami. Ano oras na ba?
10:05.
10:15 sa bus. Ayan. Asan ang tour guide natin? So ayan mga darling, tapos na kami sa aming first stop, which is sa Dragon. So next stop namin, parang magla-lunch na kami. So nandito pa rin kami sa aming service with the tour guide.
The bridge, like walking in air. If you scared,
Siguro lunch muna kami.
cannot turn back.
And then,
Cannot turn back.
pupunta kami sa Glass
Just one
Bridge.
way. One
Yan ang
entrance
pinaka-highlight.
and one exit.
Yan ang gusto ko
Just
talaga.
very fast. No
Takit
surprise.
na tayo. Lunch muna kami. Ang oras ngayon is
First rise again to
10:24. Pares na naman ang oras sa from China. Uy, at Mars na rinig yun. Kita lang.
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go.
So, nandito na kami sa isang restaurant dito sa China. Nagla-lunch lang kami. Ayan. So, ang hindi marunong mag-chopstick, kahirapan, hindi ako marunong mag-chopstick. Ay, video pala yan. Bebe.
I hate you.
Kain. Hindi ko alam kung gamitin ng chopstick. So, ito yung ano nila, gamit nila dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan. Ito meron extra. Ay, akala ko extra, hindi. Hingi ka na lang. Ayan. Ayan, akala ko yung water sa bowl. Pang-sterilize pala sa mga plato, baso. Ayan. Sa mangkok, sa kutsara. Ito for the... Okay. Darling, kakain mo kami ng lunch. So, serve na yung pagkain namin. So, yung kain mo na magkatagal mo yan. Ito yung binigay sa amin. Parang ito. Para meron pa rin kami communication kahit nasa dito sa eh. Kasi walang signal dito. MJ. Adidas yata.
Itu juga ada mobilnya. Coba kasih tahu.
Rice cooker. Binigyan na kami ng rice cooker sa gitna. Pinay daw kasi eh. Walang sa lalaki. Thank you so much.
Isa lang yung may baboy.
Coba dulu.
So, ayan, may dumating ulit na potato eh.
Chicken natin.
Good chicken.
May sugar ka?
Kunti.
Tagal ka na sa YouTube?
Tagal-tagal na din. May fish, may steamed fish.
Okay.
So, ayan mga darling, nagkamikos-mikos na.
Mikos.
Mikos-mikos na. Daming pagkain. So, ulit. Lasang dagat. Mikos na din lang pagkain. Gusto ko yung noodles. Yun.
Mainit na rin yung kutsara na yan. Nayaan mo dyan. Dami talaga kumain ngayon.
Kumain kayo ng marami at papakilo na tayo pagkatapos ito.
The cola have a cola. Chili.
Oy, tulungan niyo ako. Pusin natin to, sayang. Ayan, sulit. Sus, ang dami pang tira. Oh, sayang. So, ayan mga darling. Tapos na kami sa second stop namin. So, ngayon pupunta na kami sa Ice World.
Okay.
I can show you the world. Yeah! Nandito na kami sa Water World. Thank you! Yay! Wow! Nice. Pamain na lang to ha. Kasi Single, but not ready to mingle. Pamay na lang.
Okay, just joking. And the meeting place is here. Here, the ladies side. The ladies side.
Do you want to know?
And the meeting time is 4:15. 4:15. Almost 2 hours we go back to the immigration. So as possible earlier than 7. Earlier. After 7, must I know that must waste
And
1
it
hour,
feels
at
so
least 1 hour
bright.
at
It's
the
like
immigration.
luck is raining on
The
me.
meeting time 4:15. 4:15. Okay, 4:15. Where is the meeting place?
There's so much left to
What
give.
time is the meeting?
Something's
4:15.
this time.
4:15. Okay.
Baby,
So
baby, now I
if
know.
you lost the way,
Baby, baby,
you cannot
gotta
find
go.
the meeting place.
There is
Just
so
by the
much
side.
left to give.
Exit.
Something's
Exit.
telling me
Exit.
it's
You can
right.
see
When
many
you
signs.
came to me,
Show
oh,
the
I
way
knew
to the
it's you.
exit. Okay, I'm sure enough
The one
is
to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. In the fire, in the
Keep your
rain.
ticket
All
careful.
day,
Okay,
oh yeah,
let's
all
go.
day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling.
That's me.
Hands alone to your tight. I guess the house can lie. And it feels so bright. It's like
Okay.
a love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see.
Nice. Madali ako naman. Ito lang ang pindutin mo.
Do you want to know? And I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
Okay, pupunta na kami ngayon sa Water World or Ice World. Oy, ito na yung totoong hiking. Wala nang hagdan. Wala nang escalator pataas. Oh my God! Grabe! Napalaban ng tuhod. Yeah, oy, oh my God!
Mga palangga natakot ako si Marley.
Hindi kita yung gaba.
Ayun ang sakyan natin, oh.
Nagsishake. Ba't parang umuga siya?
Ayaw mo pa-picture? Nasa gilid-gilid lang. Si Mars.
Dahil lang.
Video at picture.
Sige, ato bang lang.
Ako naman, yung nakaganon. Para kita mo.
Grabe oh, nakakatakot kasi umuga siya. Ayan yung ilalim niya oh. Ha? Okay.
Tagal sa picture eh. Ano ba naman
Ayan yung ilalim niya.
Hindi lang tayo napunta dito.
Huwag muna kayo magmadali. Sayang naman yung ano.
Ito parang galit na galit lagi sa pagpipicture.
Grabe, Bel.
Ano ba yan?
Oh my God. Parang nakakatakot. Tingnan yung baba. O, tingnan kita mo. Mga puno, mga dahon. Ayan. So, tapos nandun yung Water World. Ayan. Yan. Pupunta kami dyan. Ayan yung tubig niya.
Matino, kaya sa picture mo.
Ayan.
Maganda yung cellphone. Oh,
Tapos may statue doon. Ayan. Here we go. Nandito na kami sa China. Oh, grabe. Sino mga akala na ma-experience ko lahat ng ito? Thank you, Lord. Ayan. Grabe. Diba? Parang sarap gumagapag na si ate. Baby! Kitang-kita lang yung ulap. Be!
Wait, layuan ko.
宜酗酒或其他不适宜游玩的游客禁止上桥。1.2米以下的儿童及70岁以上老人需有成人陪同游玩。游玩前，请自觉评估自己的身体
Kaya mo yan.
及同行者的身体状况。游玩过程中如有不适，请马上与工作人员联系。上桥后严禁骑不走、跳跃等危险
Nanginginig-ginig ka na.
通行方式为单向行走。
Ang cute mo manginig.
祝游玩愉快。
Ang taas po. Oh,
亲爱的游客
yan.
朋友
Super
们，
taas.
欢迎来到隐贤山庄玻璃桥游玩。为了您的游玩安全，
Parang tanga lang.
有心脏病、高血压、高症及酗酒或其他不适宜游玩的游客禁止上桥。1.2米以
Mabilis ba to? Nakakatakot na sa ko yung cellphone ko. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ah, ha? Other side? Okay, na.
Na-video nyo yun? Sa
Oo, na-video ko. Takot ako baka mahulog ko cellphone ko. Antayin natin sila dito. Naka-video ka? Wala bang ano to? Walang seatbelt? Ganito lang?
Kaya mo mag-video?
Ha? Hindi. Aakyat na kami sa Water World. Kaso kailangan hindi kami makapag-video kasi mababasa kami. So mababasa ang cellphone. Basa! So ayan mga darling. Hindi ako nakapag-video. Basa! stop, ano namin, next namin destination. Diyan kami babagsak. Yan, pagdating mo dyan, ayan, ang tubig. Pro, ano talaga siya? Parang wave. Yan. Tsunami yung tubig. Yan, dyan kami galing. Iikot, tapos babagsak pa pala ganyan. So, hindi ako nakapag-video. So, ang galing, oh. Ang galing, oh. Parang totoo talaga siya na mayroong ano, alon. Yan, oh. Makyat kami dyan, tapos magsa kami doon. Yan. So, dito lang hindi tayo nakapag-video dahil hindi pwede ang cellphone mababasa. Yan.
Do you wanna know? You come along, and it feels so good. It's like luck is raining on me. Goes like your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, wanna know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever.
Ice cream ng China natikman ko rin.
All day, we stay in my arms. The one who showed me up back together. Even
The house food is better.
It's free. Someone bought us.
Parang may naalala ko dito, ah. Kaso mabilis malubat.
Bakit?
Congrats! Parang may naalala ko dito sa Pinas. Ganito ba yan? Ganito ba ending? Nahulma. Nabilog. Mikos-mikos. Ayun mga darling, punta tayo sa... Wait lang. Yan. Ay, may jacket din. May jacket din. Kailangan ba ba? Ayoko na ng jacket. Kailangan mo ng jacket. Malamig sa... Kaya ko na siguro. So, magja-jacket ka din?
Napakalamig.
Can I have blue? Thank you. Blue kasi yung suot kong ano. 啊。
这样子就好了，看镜头笑一下，来
请各方场内观察饮料，注意安全，与民身心。为了保持场内的环境卫生，不可携带
Super lamig nga. Buat super lamig. Kala mo kaya na ah. Parang tumutulo yung sibuk sa lamig ah. Okay ba?
Manhid na yung kamay ko.
Paano nga? Ako pag hinawakan mo yan ako. So yan mga darling, ito ice to. Ayan. Grabe ice. Ayan. Feeling ko natulog na yung sipon ko ah. Sus, wala na pakiramdam yung kamay ko ah. Namanhid ah. Oh my God! Oh my God! Nakatakot! Grabe! Ang sarap! Grabe! Ang sarap! Sarap sa pakaramdam. So dito ka lang nasa dito. Parang manhid na yung ano ko. Manhid na yung labi ko. Asan ba sila? So meron din pala dito sa loob. So ayan mga darling, ito yung next namin sasakyan. So titingnan muna namin kung kakayanin namin. My God, parang hindi ko kakayanin to. Oh my God! Parang hindi ko kaya to. Oh shock. Oh my God. Ito yung next namin sasakyan. So tinitingnan muna namin kung kakayanan namin. Ayan, unti-unti na siyang maakyat. Ayan, kaya raw, kaya. We finished the
Oh, finish them. Okay, so enjoy everything. No, okay, just enjoy it.
Yeah.
The zoo, if you like it, the zoo. Just go.
Okay.
虽及肺部疾病、恐高症、癫痫、癫痫病史者、醉酒者、吸毒者、身体不适者、身高情绪等
So, ayan. So, ayan. Malakas ang loob nila. Sige. Pwede ba magkuha video?
Oy, mama.
Ito yung next ride namin. Ayan pupuntahan namin. So dito kami sa we can ride here also. May bayad ba yun? Natalo pa kami ah.
So, 50 minutes.
How many minutes? 15?
Like 50.
5
1.5 only.
Face na sa kasi nakakilala mo na yung bagay tayo sa ano. Baka mamaya sa immigration ng Hong Kong.
Wala yan. Thank you.
面那个东西刷过了。
Yay!
还有那个手包装的，还有一个。
Mag life jacket muna kami.
Pagpatay.
Langoy aso pa rin. So dito kami ngayon. Tour guide namin. Yun ang driver. So ayan, namangka muna kami. Sana ba tayo pupunta? Sana may pamindi tayo dito. May isda yata dito.
Tayo.
Sige.
Alalay lang kayo sa pader.
Punta tayo doon malapit sa ano. Ano ba
Uy.
meron doon?
Ginagawa nyo. Yung kamay nyo, ipigil nyo. Tulak nyo.
Okay.
Ang init.
Uy, wag ka tumayo!
Bakit ba?
Gigilid ang baka. Baka mahulog tayo. Wala tayong papalit. Ano ng balance? Oo, wala ng balance.
No? Pamalit to sa
Hoy, ay si
ending.
kuya. Pinapagilid.
Seryoso talaga siya sa walang pamalit.
May bayad niya, Aya. Ay, yung ano yan, di ba?
Ano meron dyan? Ay, yan yung ano
Ano ang hawakan?
Oo. Tapos reels.
Tapos may kanta.
Basta gusto.
Tapos pwede niya akong yakat-yakapin.
Kung gusto nyo mabasa, okay lang. Kung may pamalit kayo, ayan.
Pinapabalik na na. Yung oras. Di ba naman tayo mo? Hindi sila nga.
Tingnan yung oras natin.
Mga over sa oras.
Galingan natin. Galing nyo. Pwede na pala mag-ano sa lakad sa ilalim ng tubig. Ang init na. Lamig ah.
There's another boat.
Gusto ko sumakay dyan. Sa bangka sa taas oh. Lumilipad. Bangkang lumilipad.
Ayun na. Nagsushow pala sila.
Saan?
Oh, may
sa tubig.
A rainbow?
Yeah, there's a rainbow. Wala na.
Saan naman sila? Dito naman.
Ayun na!
Wow!
Ayun na!
Wow! Wow! Galing!
Uy, ba't mapunta kayo doon? Mababa tayo!
Mababangga tayo. Dito muna tayo. Huwag muna kayo pedal. Ubus na ba oras natin? Ay, ang rainbow. Ay, meron nga. Pagka tamaan ng tubig. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ay, putik kayo. Ay, babasa tayo. So, ayan, nandito kami sa Ferris wheel ngayon.
Do you wanna know? Sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning, the as bright as the sun. Come won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Shut me up when together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling, holding on to your tight. Guess I hope you right. And it feels so bright. It's like a love is coming to me. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way too deep, I won't wait there inside. Baby, baby, now I know.
So, ayun mga darling, pauwi na kami. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng aming service. Dapat kasi mga alas 4:30 yung oras namin. Kaso, meron pag inantay na hindi pa dumating. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng aming service. So, yan. Ito na yung lahat. Grupo kasi kami. Hindi naman namin kilala yung iba. Kaso, naka-group visa kami sa pag-tour na. So, sa isang grupo, meron kami magsama na mga Pinay din. Ayan. So, nandito na aming service. Ayan. Ito na yung service namin. So, Black Hongkong na. So, ito na kami. Balik sa Hong Kong na. Ang ingay. Ayan, pauwi na. Bye, China.
Do you wanna know?
So, pauwi na kami. Dito na kami sa service.
Don't. Yes, that's scary. And if you like the schedule, will you introduce the
Ayan mga darling. Aling medyo kita sa biyahe pa rin. Medyo maliit na. Independent na rin kami sa masas. Walang talaga sa tulog. Dalawang oras na. Mahaba din ang
You have to understand a little bit Chinese.
mga daling. Di ba rin kami nakakarating sa Shenzhen sa immigration. Doon pa rin kami sa biyahe.
Okay, they teach English online.
So, meron silang kanina sa China, meron picture kami.
Okay, so almost there. Maybe okay, just double check. Nothing left. Okay, nothing left.
Parang yung sasakyan namin, nasa ahal, lahat kami na ako. May dalawang ticket at inog. Sabi ni Manila, may alaga siyan, tatanggal ka lang. Oo. Kumain kaming picture. So, yung picture namin, ayan. Parang siguro yung camera nila, yung virtual na develop. Parang kuliglig na yun. Ito yung picture namin solo lahat. Picture namin solo lahat. Sa isa kapito. So, ito yung picture ko. Tapos meron kaming group picture. Parang mga pagyahan. Group picture, yan. Ganda. Ayan. Kita nyo, ayan ako sa gilid. Sa pinakadulo. Ayan. Ayan yung group picture namin. Ang ganda. So, dito sa picture na to, tapos nakalaminate na, tsaka mayroon na rin siyang frame. Ang singil nila is $100 na sa $100 yung $700 mahigit sa piso. 700 peso mahigit. So, okay naman na. Worth it naman kasi memory clip. So, ang magandang memory na nakarating ako ng Shenzhen, China. So, hindi pa rin kami nakarating ng immigration. Kami nasa biyahe pa rin kami. Gusto ko yung picture. Ganda kasi yun, siyempre pagka nag-forward ka na, makikita mo sa bahay mo. Naalala mo yun, nakarating pala ko ng China. Narating ko yung Snow World, tsaka yung Ice World, at saka yung bridge glass ng China, diba? So, nandito na kami. Immigration na kami. Haba-haba pang biyahe namin. Sige, mamaya na lang ulit at kailangan kong magligpit ng